So I got the vampire breast lift because I was pretty happy with the size of my breast, but I wanted a little bit more visible cleavage. I didn't want to get breast implants, I just wanted a little bit more volume, so that was really why I wanted to get the vampire breast lift. I've definitely noticed a lot more volume. I noticed that when I wear a bra, I have a lot more cleavage, so I really like my results. So as far as recovery, there really wasn't any downtime. I was pretty much able to continue my daily activities. I was definitely sore the same day as the treatment and the day after, but there wasn't really anything that I couldn't do after the treatment, so recovery was really easy. I would definitely recommend the vampire breast lift to anyone who is happy with the size of their breast but just wants a little bit more cleavage or volume like I did. It definitely gave me really great results without having to have surgery or get breast implants or anything, because that's not really what I wanted. So this is definitely something I would recommend to everyone.